We're not on the wrong path, are we?
I feel like I could run forever.
I wish I could show this view to everyone in Brukakwa.
The city is huge.
Be careful. I sense something strange.
I feel tickety-boo on my home planet. The hustle and bustle of cities. Oh, it's so far. It's too flippin' far.
Never saw any place like this.
It's not a bad idea to shop in these stores here.
So this is the planet Filio and the others yearn for.
Hope it all goes well. Let's keep this pace up.
Is this the right way? This place is a bit unsettling. Let's keep going.
Don't fall behind, okay?
Be careful. I sense something strange.
The back alleys have the best shopping.
This planet. It's too much for me.
Is this some kind of back road? Look at all the people.
It's not a bad idea to shop in these stores here.
This place is a bit unsettling.
I feel like I could run forever.
Is this the way to the Galaxy Corporation? Is this?
Hey, it's you again! So you're gonna be in the Insectron tournament, huh?
This is the Insectron Stadium? Huh. Nice place.
It's the hottest competition in the galaxy right now. Oh yeah, the other day, I found a great Insector on Jerica. Thanks to it, I've gotten as far as the D-rank champion. Pretty cool, huh?
Really? Well, that's great.
First, you gotta start at the bottom, E-rank, and work your way up. I'll see you in the D-rank finals.
All right, then. You better watch out.
Just make sure you get to D-rank before I get too old and have to retire, okay? Anyway, I'll be waiting for you. Make sure to train some good Insectors. See ya!
Let's keep going.
So this is the planet Filio and the others yearn for.
All this exercise better do something. It's not a bad idea to shop in these stores here.
We're not on the wrong path, are we? This planet, it's too much for me.
So many different things flying around. look at all the people.
Lots of different scenery, huh?
I wish I could show this view to everyone in Bracaqua.
I'm feeling really lucky today.
Where's the reception desk?
Let's keep going.
This planet, it's too much for me.
We're not on the wrong path, are we?
Let's keep this pace up.
Welcome to the Galaxy Corporation!
We'd like to renew our travel visa. Number ZR-KJ1701, the Dorganark.
Oh, I'm so sorry. The Galaxy Corporation has, temporarily suspended visa renewals. Boo-hoo. Come back again, okay?
Huh?
What are you talking about?
In case you haven't noticed, we've had a bit of a small problem, okay? Everyone, knows this already.
Explain it so we understand!
Eee! OMG, scary.
Why, I oughta...
Here! Come on! She's over here, Robert!
Calm down, Henry!
Oh, it's Mio! I can't believe I'm seeing Mio face to face for the very first time. It's the real Mio. Mio live and in person. Smile!
Huh? Oh, ciao, baby!
How rude! Calm down. Have you lost your manners? No. Henry, could you take our picture?
Cheese!
Oh, this is the best day of my life. I'm Robert, member number 00756.
Ha! That's nothing. I'm Henry, member number 00125.
Oh my! I don't believe it! Both of you in the triple digits? Oh, you must really love little old Mio. I'm so happy. Ready? 1, 2...
Lovely honey Mio!
Kawaii!
Quit dancing around! Tell us why you can't renew our visa! You keep goofing around, and I'm gonna pulverize you! Huh?
Over here, troops! They're like over here! She's totally the one that did it! She said she was gonna blow me up or something!
What?
And these guys over here are her accomplices!
Huh? That's not true!
Shut up, you Draxian spy!
No! Wait! Just listen to our side of the story!
Gosh, it's so icky when a bad guy doesn't know when to give up. Like, I can't believe they try something like this. It's so totally lame. Good thing Zerard has Rosencaster Prison, though, huh? Thank goodness, too, or else there'd be weirdos like you everywhere. Go turn over a new leaf now, okay? Toodles!
You'll regret this!
That was a cinch. Sorry, Jaster, but I need you off the ship. I'm not gonna let you get in my way.
I am Alec Rosencaster. I am the warden of this prison. You certainly look like criminals. I was told all of you are Draxilian spies. Do you have anything to confess?
It's a false accusation. We haven't done anything.
Listen to me. We just came to renew our galactic travel visa. We had nothing to do with that explosion.
Take a good look at us, Warden. I mean, come on. We can't be criminals. We don't look suspicious at all.
You really are sticking to that story. It doesn't matter anymore. You could be innocent or guilty. It means nothing to me. The only thing that's important is that you're here now. You really are lucky to be in this prison today. You can atone for your crime and contribute to the progress of life as we know it.
What? What are you talking about?
You'll see soon enough. Place all of them in a level 4 cell.
Yes, sir!
Hey!
Ow! Go!
Damn it!
It won't be easy to escape this place.
We're in some real trouble now. Oh, why did we have to get thrown into Rosencaster's prison, of all places? You know what they call him? The Guardian of Hell. Once you're in here, there's no getting out. It's all over.
youngsters. Why don't you calm down a bit? Save your strength for when you need it.
You really think we can calm down? We didn't do anything. We're innocent.
Mistakes get made all the time in this world of ours. And interplanetary wars are the height of stupidity.
Who are you?
So, what should we do? Do we need to bribe someone or what?
That's it. We're digging our way out.
What? Have you completely lost the plot? It'll take years to escape that way. It's not gonna happen.
Hey, keep it down.
For crying out loud, we leave our post for just a sec and we get slapped with cleanup duty for a month. But it was so worth it for being able to meet Mio in person. I still can't believe it.
Hey, by the way, your membership number was lower than mine. How'd you manage to pull that off?
Oh, come on. I'm miles different from wannabe fans like you, Robert.
Whoa!
Robert, check it out! Mio's changed into her jammies!
Oh, what kind of dreams will you have tonight, Mio, my sweet? If I could only be your blanket.
Oh, what I would give to be your pillow for just one fluffy, cuddly night.
Here we go.
What?
We apologize for the delay.
Would you like to come along?
What? Are you breaking out?
This is unjust detention. There is no reason I should be in here. You were innocent too, weren't you, my pirate friends?
Pirates? So you knew?
Who the heck are you, anyway? This doesn't feel right.
Well, you can always stay here if you like. I'll make sure it's locked good and tight.
All right, fine. We're coming too. We won't get anywhere stuck in this place. Come on.
We have the worst luck.
Wonder if they're worried about us.
Be careful. We'll lose our way if we're careless. Something's not right.
Man, not these guys.
This one's tricky.
That's how you get it done.
Who is that old geezer?
Don't fall behind, okay?
This one's tricky. Here they come.
Over there! All right.
Jaster!
Take this. Come on, come on.
That was a close one. Wonder if they're worried about us.
What awful air down here.
Man, not these guys.
What a waste of time.
Everyone all right?
Thanks.
All right. That's the end of that. Come on, let's hurry.
Come on, let's get moving.
This one's tricky! All right.
Grant peace to the souls of the defeated.
This is all that ditzy Neo's fault.
Let's get out of here. Fast.
Isn't there a better way to go? Huh? Help me. Lilica, what is it?
Someone's in there.
Stop getting in our way! Here we go!
Man, that caught me by surprise. What the heck was that doing there?
There was something strange about that beast.
We can't go any higher, Mr. Rosencaster! Let's stop here!
Keep going! One more jolt! Damn it! Not again! Bring in the next prisoner!
But sir, in order to use any more prisoners, we'll need permission from the higher-ups.
Do you know who I am?
Yes, sir! You're the warden, sir!
That's right! I'm the one in charge here. We don't need permission. I'll decide. Got it? Just do what I say. Now, bring the next prisoner.
Right away, sir!
I'm never going to give up. We're too close. There's no way I can give up now.
I only hope they don't catch us here.
like where this is going. Here they come! Jaster!
Well, that was a doddle.
This is all that ditzy Neo's fault. Be careful. We'll lose our way if we're careless.
Man, not these guys.
This one's tricky. Jaster!
Everyone okay? Don't fall behind, okay? Let's get out of here, fast.
We'd best keep our guard up around that prisoner.
This is not sitting right with me.
Man, not these guys.
This one's tricky.
That was a cinch. What the heck is going on?
This one's tricky.
Not good. All right. We're not done yet.
Jaster!
close one.
Can we really win this?
We're gonna have trouble getting through here. Not these guys. Yeah, this one's tricky.
Jaster!
That's the end of that.
Who is that old geezer?
Not these guys. This one's tricky. Over there.
Thanks.
Everyone okay?
This should help us put our skills to the test.
We'd best keep our guard up around that prisoner.
Why are there beasts inside a prison? Wonder if they're worried about us.
Be careful. We'll lose our way if we're careless.
cinch. What the heck is going on?
If we escape from level 4, we'll become legends.